Couston Castle is an L-plan tower house dating to the late 16th century or early 17th centuries, just north of Dalgety Bay, at the edge of Otterston Loch in Fife, Scotland, and it was built on the site of an earlier building. Couston Castle was built on the lands granted to Robert de London, an illegitimate son of King William the Lion, in 1199. The land was granted in turn to Roger Freeburn. The castle was firstly property of the Logans of Restorick, but passed later to the Earls of Moray. By the 16th century there was a fortified castle protected by artillery. King James V confirmed a charter to James Logan of Couston, whose family were resident at that period, during which the castle was remodelled to the form that it generally now has. For part of the second half of the 17th century, it was occupied by Robert Blair, a Presbyterian clergyman who was a former tutor of King Charles I and who died there in 1666. The north wing is thought to date from the 18th century. The castle was in reasonable condition until the 1830s, when the greater part of the south end was demolished to provide stones used in building farm buildings. The castle was purchased by a Dunfermline businessman, Alistair Harper, in 1980, and he set about its restoration. After having been derelict for many years, the castle was restored by architect Ian Begg in 1985, who converted it into a family home. In 2002, further refurbishments and extensions were finished.